Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss how we can save and share our Google Colab notebook. For example, you have write simple program A is equal to 10, B is equal to 17, print A plus B, shift enter. So just a basic mathematical equation like how we can add two numbers. But for example, now you want to save your Google Colab notebook. So how we can save? First, here you can see this is the file. Click on it and here we have the option save a copy in drive. So this is the way like how we can save our Google Colab in our Google Drive. Click on it, save a copy in drive. So it will create the copy of this notebook and it will save in your Google Drive. Next option is, for example, I want to save this notebook into my GitHub repository. So how I can save? Click on this file icon and like here you can see save a copy in GitHub. Click on it, then it will pop up like it will ask some credentials from you, like okay, this is the repository where I want to save, this is the file path, that is the commit message. Click OK and it will save this notebook into your GitHub repository. So you can see like this is the, you can say very easy how we can save our one Google Colab notebook at different cloud service and different for example Google Drive in GitHub. So it is very easy. We can also share the notebook. How we can, for example, to share the notebook that you have created with your other code developers. So you may share the copy that you have made in your Google Drive. To publish the notebook to general audience, you may share it from your GitHub repository. So there is one way to share your notebook, that is by clicking on share button. Click on it. And here you can type the email from the person from which you want to share this Google Colab notebook. But you can also get the link, copy the link, and when whatever person who have this link, he can get access to this your Google Colab notebook. So you can see this is very easy to share your Google Colab notebook with your code developers. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.